Hey guys, thanks for joining me and tuning into my channel. Tonight is another first for me. Let me see if I can bring you guys a little closer actually. All right, there you go. So as I was saying, tonight is a first for me. This is something I've always wanted to try and I just haven't gotten around to it. So if you are a viewer of my great friend Molly from Molly's Artistry, you will have seen that she does these pretty cool colander pours. So finally, I'm going to be trying this thing. Now, I bought this thing almost a month ago and I just never, brought myself to trying it. And I thought, you know what, enough is enough. Try the darn thing. And let's see what happens. So I bought this from Walmart. It's the closest thing I could find that Molly uses. The only difference is it has a handle, but still the same thing. It was $4.97. So I'm in Canada, so that's where I got it from. I got it from Walmart. The brand was Mainstays, which is I think like one of the Walmart brands or something. But anywho, what I have here is a 10 by 10 canvas. I've just covered my edges, just in case as I'm tilting I can't get to the corners. And the colors I'm using tonight are Persian Blue by Studio Acrylics. I am using Iridescent Blue Black by Studio Acrylics. Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. And then I have Iridescent Green Blue by Studio Acrylics and Iridescent Blue Green by Studio Acrylics, followed by Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. I had to think about that one for a second. So anyways, I've mixed up my paints. Now from what I see in Molly's videos, the paint consistency has to be pretty thick. I'm not used to this thickness because, for the Dutch pours, it's always a lot thinner. But what you want to see is a mound forming. So I guess pretty much the same consistency as if you were to do like a flip cup, I guess. But yeah, you want to be able to see a design form or a mound form on top. So hopefully that's thick enough. I just have a cup that I just used on a previous pour and I'm not going to bother to waste it or toss it. It just has the same blue in it anyway, so I'm just going to use that. So I am going to start off with some white at the bottom. We'll start with that, even though there's some blue at the bottom too. And in no particular order, I'm just gonna pour my colors in here. So I'm hoping this turns out. And from a video I saw on Molly, she turns her cups and kind of pours random colors on each side. So I'm gonna do that too. And we'll see what comes of it. All right. Oh, stuck to the paper. All right, and then we'll do metallic cobalt on this side. And let's see, it's flip the cup around. Molly, I hope you're watching. Well, I know you're watching because you always watch my videos because you the best. All right, so I've done a layer there. I think I'm gonna add some more white. Maybe a smidge here. And flip it around and add a smidge there. Okay. Oh, I didn't use this yet. My iridescent blue black. Let's go here, although I'm not overly fond of that color, so I might not put too much of it. Let's see, where am I at? Let's add the dark blue in here. Let's go with, yeah, I'm just completely randomly placing colors, which is, like I said, what I saw Molly do in one of her videos. Let's see, what do we use next? Let's go back to, I love metallic cobalt blue, so All right, let's add some white. Wow, that's a lot of paint for this tiny little guy. Lots of paint. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I think that should be more than enough. I lied. One more. I really do like this green blue. Okay. So there you have it. Now, I'm hoping this turns out. So now, what Molly does is she just starts pouring around in circles. In some videos, I see her start on the outside and work her way in. In another video, I've seen her just start on the inside and then work her way out. Correct me if I'm wrong, Molly. But I'm just gonna go for it and pour from the outside in. That's what I'm gonna do. I love these colors, like no joke. I'm really excited to see what happens here, guys. Because like I said, man, I've had this thing for a month. Look at that. That is the coolest thing. Love that. It's always so pretty in the cup. Oh, look, there's cells in there. Cells at the bottom. Look at that. You see that? All right, I'm gonna let this thing drain out a bit. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, and the key is to pick it up extremely slowly. So, let's see what happens. It's very hard to gauge how much I'm pulling because it doesn't feel like I'm pulling, yet the paint really is coming out. Gosh, Molly, I don't know how you do this thing. I think I got it all out. Well, kind of. I don't know. All right, well, let's stretch her out. You know me, if I don't like it, she's a going bye-bye. Guys, there's a lot of paint on here, man. All right. Let's stretch it out. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Scorch those bubbles. Let's do that before I proceed. All right. Small circles all the way around. There's a lot of paint on here, so I'm definitely gonna have to run this off. Well, if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna have to definitely try it again because, you know, that's just the type of personality I am, where I'm just gonna have to try it until I get it right. So we will see. All right, let's move to this corner. Clearly I didn't need to paint my corners because I just have so much paint on this sucker. All right, let's bring it back to the center. Well, clearly this is not my thing. All right. All right. Bring it back to the center. Maybe it's the colander too, guys. Like, I mean, I don't know. Like, I mean, I do think I have way too much paint on this thing. But clearly I have a different colander than Molly does, but it's all I could find. So I wasn't about to search every store out there looking for the right thing. So I figured I'll try this one and see what happens. All right, one last corner. Come on, almost there. All right, let's bring it back to the center. I do see the circle though, actually, now that I'm looking at it. Let me bring it back. Come on, almost there, almost there. I do see the center, which is kind of interesting. Okay. Ta-da! Masterpiece. Yeah, no. Not quite. Not quite. Well, there's my first attempt for you. It's clearly not up to Molly standards, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely try it again because it definitely did not work out or look like Molly's do. So I am gonna torch it. All right. I think there's some goop here in my paint. Yeah, I just had to do that, right? Well, I had to because there was goop in there, so. There. I fix it. All right, guys, let me bring you in for a close-up. All right. Well, all right, Molly. Here it is, darling. Epic fail. Kind of. I don't know. I like the colors. I like the design, but it's not clearly the colander pour I was going for. Let me see if I can get up close without that silly shadow. Well, there she is. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if I'm going to scrape it or not. I might. We'll see. Let me know. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll definitely try it again. Like I said, maybe it's the actual colander, but that's it for now. Don't forget to check out all my information in the description below. My social media links, my Amazon links for my shops, and my PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate and help me buy supplies and, you know, all that other fun stuff. And don't forget to check out my Etsy page because I've been uploading stuff on there. So there's new pieces on my Etsy page as well. So thanks so much for watching. And I will be back with another pour coming up. And that is all. Good night, guys. Bye.